Welcome students on online class for the subject physics. Today we have learned about the chapter number 5, oscillation. In this chapter oscillation we have seen some examples. The given example will be period of oscillation of a simple pendulum gets double when its length is increased by 1.2 meter. Calculate original period and length. By solving such example, data is given. So in this data we have seen, let L1 is initial length, T1 is initial time period, L1 is initial length, T1 is initial time period, L2 is new length, T2 is new time period. Actually, initial length is original length and initial time period is original time period. We want to find L1 and T1, but given is new time period, means T2 is twice the time period T1 and L2 is L1 plus 1.2 meter. We know that time period for simple pendulum, which is 2 pi in bracket L upon G. So original time period having formula T1 equal to 2 pi square root of L upon L1 upon G, and new time period T2 is equal to 2 pi square root of L2 upon G. If we can divide T2 upon T1, it will be 2 pi square root of L2 upon G divided by 2 pi square root of L1 upon G. What happen? 2 pi get cancel, and here square root of L2 upon G divided by L1 upon G. So in case G will also cancel. So T2 upon T1 is equal to square root of L2 upon L1. By substituting the values here, T2 having value 2 T1 upon T1, which is equal to square root of L1 plus 1.2 upon L1. What happened? T1 get cancel, squaring on both side. What happened? 4 is equal to L1 plus 1.2 upon L1. Multiply 4, you get 4 L1 is equal to L1 plus 1.2. L1 is shifted, that is 3 L1 is equal to 1.2, and therefore L1 is equal to 1.2 divided by 3 is 0.4 meter. So original length will be 0.4 meter, but we want to find original time period. So therefore, see here, T1 is equal to 2 pi square root of L1 upon G. We know the value of G, that is 9.8 meter per second square. If we substitute the value, it will be 2 pi square root of 0.4 upon 9.8. what happened? 2 pi square root of 4 upon 98 means 249. 2 upon 49. We know that square root of 49 becomes 7. So 2 pi square root of 2 upon 7. If we substitute the value by calculating using the log, which will be 2 pi multiplied by 1.414 divided by 7. So here 8, 2, 8, 2.828 upon 7. So 7 1 the 7, 0.7 for the 28, 7 for the 28. So that the time period will be, original time period, it will be T1 is equal to 0.404 into 3.142. By using logarithm, we can write as bar 1 point and 0 point. Take its addition. By taking a log, and log of 31 in 4, 2 is in mean difference, 49, 7, 2. Addition will be 6, 13, 10, 11, 0 point. Take its antilog. Antilog of 0.10 in 3, 6 is in mean difference. So 10 in 3, 0.10 in 3 will be 1268. And 6, its mean difference will be 2. So here it is 1.270 second. So original length and original time period will be 1.270 and 0.4 meter. That is the answer for given example. Again we can solve another example, that will be the period of simple pendulum is found to increase by 50% when length of simple pendulum is increased by 0.6 meter. Calculate again initial length, initial period of oscillation at that place. Means here let L1 is initial length, T1 is initial period. So it can be found that L2 is new length, T2 is new time period. So it is found that T2 is increased 50% of T1 plus original, means T1 upon 2 plus T1. By adding 3 T1 upon 2, value of T2. Similarly, length, new length will be increased L1 plus 0.6 meter. We know that time period equal to 2 pi square root of L upon G. So T1 is equal to 2 pi square root of L1 upon G, and T2 is equal to 2 pi square root of L2 upon G. By dividing T2 upon T1 is equal to 2 pi square root of L1 upon G upon 2 pi square root of L2 upon G. What happened? 2 pi get cancelled. It will be square root of L1 upon G divided by L2 upon G. G get cancel. So it is square root of L1 upon square root of L2 upon L1. If we substitute the value of T2, T2 is 3T1 upon 2 divided by T1, which is equal to square root of L1 plus 0.6 upon L1. T1 get cancel. Square on both sides. Squaring on both sides. What happened? 3 square 9 and 2 square 4 is equal to L1 plus 0.6 divided by L1. By solving, 9L1 is equal to 4L1 plus 2.4. By shifting, so 5L1 is equal to 2.4. L1 is equal to 2.4 upon 5. So the length, it will be 0.5 for the 20 and 5 at the 40. So here 0.48 meter, that is the initial length. But we can also find out initial time period. So T1 is equal to 2 pi square root of L1 upon G. So T1 is equal to 2 pi square root of 0.48 upon 9.8, because we know that value of G will be 9.8 meter per second square. So by taking or shifting the decimal point here, so it will be 2 pi square root of 4.8 divided by 98. If we can see their log will be 0.1 point minus. Log of 48 will be 6812 and log of 98 will be 9912. So 0 is there, 9 is there, from 16 6 is there, bar 2. Take its antilog. Antilog of 0.69 in 0, mean difference 0. So T1 is equal to 2 pi square root of, antilog will be 4.898 into 10 to the power minus 2. So if we can see the square root, it will be 2 pi multiplied by 2.213 into 10 to the power minus 1. If we substitute the value 3.142 into 2.213 into 10 raised to minus 1. By seeing the logarithm will be 0.0. Logarithm for 20, it will be 3010. Logarithm for 31 in 4, 2 is in mean difference, will be 4972. Logarithm of 22 in 1, 3 is mean difference, it will be 3450. So 2, 13, 14, 11, 1, 1.1432. If we see its antilog, so antilog for 0.14 in 3, 2 is in mean difference, it will be 1.391 second. So initial time period and initial length will be calculated. Again, if we can solve the period of simple pendulum decrease, the period of simple pendulum is decreased by 10% when its length is decreased by 19 centimeter. Again, find initial length and initial period. Here let we can suppose L1 is initial length. T1 suppose initial time period. L2 is new length. And T2 is new time period. By seeing the numerical or by seeing the example, we can see that new period will be decreased by 10%. Means T2 is equal to T1 minus 10% of T1. That is T1 minus 10 upon 100 into T1. So here T1 minus 0.1 T1, that is 0.9 T1. So here T1 will be 0.9, T2 will be 0.9 T1. Again length, it will be L1 minus 19 centimeter. See here, if L1 minus 19 centimeter is there, we can find out in meter, it will be L1 minus 0.19 meter. We know that formula for time period. For time period, T equal to 2 pi square root of L upon G. So for first, 2 pi square root of L1 upon G, and for second 2 pi square root of L2 upon G. If we divide it, T2 upon T1, it will be 2 pi square root of L2 upon G upon 2 pi square root of L1 upon G. What happen? 2 pi get cancel. It will written as L2 upon G divided by L1 upon G. Again we can cancel G, so it is square root of L2 upon L1. Here by substituting the values, T2 will be 0.9 T1 upon T1 and square root of L2 will be L1 minus 0.19 upon L1. Again, if we cancel the T1 and take square on both sides, so here 0.81 is equal to L1 minus 0.19 upon L1. So here 0.81 L1 is equal to L1 minus 0.19. By shifting, 0.19 is equal to L1 minus 0.81 L1. Means we can subtract 1.00 minus 0.81. It will be 0.19 L1. So 0.19 is equal to 0.19 L1. What happened? 0.19 get cancelled and L1 becomes 1 meter. Its answer will be 1 meter. But we can find out initial time period. So initial time period is equal to 2 pi square root of L1 upon G. So first of all, we know that the value of G will be 9.8 meter per second square. So T1 is equal to 2 pi square root of 1 upon 9.8. By seeing the reciprocal, so reciprocal of 9.8, it will be 2 pi square root of 0.1020. Again, by seeing square root, so for the square root we can shift decimal point, square root of 10.20 into 10 raised to minus 2. So 10.20, its square root will be 2 pi multiplied by 3.194 into 10 raised to minus 1. by put the value of pi 2 multiplied by 3.142 multiplied by 3.194 into 10 raised to minus 1. By seeing the log of 2 0 point and add. Log of 2 will be 3010. Log of 3.142 will be 4972. Log of 3.194. So 3.194, its log will be 5044. So adding, it is 6, it will be 12, 10, 13, 1 point. Take its antilog. So antilog of 0.30 into 6 is in mean difference. It will be T1 is equal to 2.007 into 10 raised to 1 into 10 raised to minus 1. So 10 raised to plus 1 minus 1 get cancel, and therefore initial time period will be 2.007 second. These are the answers for given example 3. Again, if we can solve the another example, that example will be length of simple pendulum is increased by 69%. Determine the percentage increase in time period. In such case, here we can write data. Let L1 is initial length, T1 is initial time, L2 is new length, T2 is new time. Here, by seeing the example, L2 will be L1 plus 69% of L1 because increased. If decrease, then we can subtract. So here L1 plus 0.69 L1. So it will be L2 equal to 1.69 L1. L1 or L2 upon L1 is 169 upon 100 because point is shifting by 2 decimal. We can find out percentage increase in time period. Here, first of all, we know that time period will be 2 pi square root of L upon G. Here, for first, time period will be 2 pi square root of L1 upon G, and time period will be 2 pi square root of L2 upon G. So here, if we divide T2 upon T1, it will be 2 pi square root of L2 upon G upon 2 pi square root of L1 upon G. What happened? G get cancel, 2 pi get cancel, 2 pi get cancel. It will be square root of L2 upon L1. We know that L2 upon L1, by substituting the value T2 upon T1 will be square root of 169 upon 100. So here 169, its square root will be 13, 100, its square root will be 10. So T2 upon T1, it will be 1.3. Increase in percentage or percentage increase in time, it will be T2 minus T1 upon T1 multiplied by 100 percentage. So substitute the value. If we multiply here, T2 will be 1.3 T1. So we can write 1.3 T1 minus T1 upon T1 multiplied by 100 percentage. So here from 1.3 T1, 1 T1 is subtract. So here 0.3 T1 upon T1 multiplied by 100 percentage. T1 T1 get cancel. 0.3 and 100, its multiplication will be 30. So increase percentage increase in time, it will be 30 percentage. Percentage increase in time period will be 30 percentage. Again, this is the answer for given example. Again, if we solve another example, that is a simple pendulum has time period 2 seconds. When length is decreased by 0.75 meter, period becomes 1 second. Means initial period 2 seconds, new period becomes 1 second. Find original length and acceleration due to gravity. See here, data will be there. Let L1 is initial length, L2 is new length, T1 is initial time, T2 is new time. By seeing that T1 becomes 2 seconds, or T1 has value 2 seconds, and new length L2 is decreased, L1 minus 0.75. So time period T2, it becomes 1 second, and we can find out L1. Again, we can find out value of G. So that we use the formula. We know that time period is equal to 2 pi square root of L upon G. So here for first, T1 is equal to 2 pi square root of L1 upon G, and for second, T2 equal to 2 pi square root of L2 upon G. So T2 upon T1 is equal to 2 pi square root of L2 upon G upon 2 pi square root of L1 upon G. So 2 pi get cancel. Square root of L2 upon G divided by L1 upon G. What happened? G get cancel. So that here formula will be T2 upon T1 is equal to square root of L2 upon L1. By substituting the value, it is square root of L1 minus 0.75 upon L1. Here 2 upon 1 is equal to square root of L1 minus 0.75 upon L1. Square on both sides. It is 4 upon 1 is equal to L1 minus 0.75 upon L1. So that is 4L1 is equal to L1 minus 0.75. here one mistake is there, 1 upon 2, that is 1 upon 4. It is 1 upon 4 will be L1 minus 0.75 upon L1, because T1 is 2 seconds. T1 is 2 seconds. So multiply L1 is equal to 4 L1 minus 4 5 the 22 is remaining, 4 7 the 28 means 30. So here it will be 3. So shift the 3 is equal to 4 L1 minus L1, and therefore L1 is equal to 3 meter. That is the initial, 3 L1 is equal to, divided by 3 get cancel, 1 meter initial length. But we can find out acceleration due to gravity. So time period T1 equal to 2 pi square root of L1 upon G. So 2 seconds is equal to 2 pi square root of L1 upon G. 2 get cancel. So 1 is equal to pi square root of L1 upon G square on both sides. 1 is equal to pi L1 upon G. Therefore G is equal to pi L1. Substitute the value of L1. G is equal to pi multiplied by 1. So G is equal to pi square multiplied by 1. So G equal to pi square, which is equal to 3.142 square. So G is equal to 9.87 meter per second square will be the answer for given example. So by solving such examples, an assignment is given which is useful to practice all the students. Assignment number